Hello everyone. It's a new syllabus Mathematics Book 1, Chapter 9. Ratio, rate, time, and speed. Today, we will learn about time. Normally, we measure time in hours, minutes, and seconds. There are 24 hours in a whole day, and 60 minutes in each hour, and 60 seconds in each minute. A day starts at 12 midnight. We represent it as 12 a.m. AM stands for ante meridiem. It's a Latin word, mean, before midday. Now, it goes on until 12 noon. We represent it as 12 p.m. PM stands for post meridiem. It's a Latin word, mean, after midday. It goes on until 12 midnight. Now the whole day has been completed. From midnight to noon, we represent time as AM. And from noon to midnight, we represent time as PM. In a day, there are 24 hours. Since the clock shows only 12 hours, it means each hour mark shows the same time twice in a day. From 12 o'clock midnight to 12 o'clock noon, we read the time as AM. For example, at night, it is read as 2 a.m. And in the morning, the time is 8 a.m. From 12 o'clock noon to 12 o'clock midnight, we read the time as PM. For example, at noon, it is read as 2 p.m. And at night, the time is 8 p.m. Now you have seen how the AM and PM labels work with the 12-hour clock. We can also represent time as a 24-hour clock. In the 24-hour clock, 4 digits are used to indicate time, without any semicolon. The first 2 digits denote hours, and the last 2 digits denote minutes. In the 12-hour clock, a day starts at 12 midnight, till 12 noon. Then 12 noon, till 12 midnight. We distinguish these 12 hours by AM and PM. In the 24-hour clock, a day starts at 00 hours and 00 minutes. It is read as 00 hours. The time at 1 a.m. in the 24-hour clock is written as 01 hours and 00 minutes. It is read as 100 hours. The time at 6 a.m. in the 24-hour clock is written as 06 hours and 00 minutes. It is read as 600 hours. The time at 10:30 a.m. in the 24-hour clock is written as 10 hours and 30 minutes. It is read as 1030. The time at 12 noon, or 12 p.m., in the 24-hour clock is written as 12 hours, and 00 minutes. It is read as 1200 hours. The time from 12 a.m. to 12 p.m. in the 24-hour is 0000 to 1200s. The time at 1 p.m. in the 24-hour clock is written as 13 hours, and 00 minutes. And read as 1300 hours. The time at 6 p.m. in the 24-hour clock is written as 18 hours, and 00 minutes. And read as 1800 hours. The time at 10:30 p.m. in the 24-hour clock is written as 22 hours, and 30 minutes. It is read as 2230. The time at 11:59 p.m. in the 24-hour clock is written as 23 hours, and 59 minutes. And read as 2359. After 1 minute, next day will be started. The time from 12 noon, or 12 p.m., to 12 midnight, or 12 a.m., in the 24-hour clock, is from 1200s to 2400s. Note that, when we convert time in p.m. to 24-hour clock, we add 12. For example, 1 p.m. to add 12 equals 13. In the 24-hour clock, 1 p.m. equals 1300. Same as 5 p.m. to add 12 equals 17. In the 24-hour clock, 5 p.m. equals 1700. When we convert AM into 24-hour clock, we don't need to add any number. Just 1 AM equals 100 in the 24-hour clock. Or 10:30 AM equals 1030. And, when we convert 24-hour clock in PM, we subtract 12. For example, 1300s, 13 minus 12, equals 1. In the 12-hour clock, the time is 1 p.m. Or 2000s, 20 minus 12, equals 8. In the 12-hour clock, the time is 8 p.m.